This is the 1970 Plymouth Superbird. It's going to be crossing the block at Meekum's upcoming Kissimmee auction, and it just might be the most original muscle car left on the planet. This Superbird is completely unrestored and shows just 5,400 miles on the odometer. It's won a plethora of awards, and it still wears its original paint, interior, glass, drivetrain, exhaust, belts, and hoses. Under the hood is the matching numbers 446 barrel, topped with triple Holley carburetors and backed by a Torque Flight automatic and the A36 Performance axle package. This is a V-Code car, reportedly the 100th V-Code Superbird built and the 200th Superbird overall, making it a serious piece of Mopar production history. This car has some serious paperwork involved as well. It's got its original window sticker, factory invoice, shipping notice, warranty punch card, MSO, 2 broadcast sheets, plus period photos and sale ads. Now, unfortunately, Meekum doesn't include those online, so I can't find these photos anywhere. But per the description, that's what it says it has, so I'll trust them on that one. It was shipped to a Chrysler Plymouth dealership in Prestonburg, Kentucky, and its ownership has been carefully documented ever since then. It's finished in high-impact EV2 Tour Red, a black vinyl top, the massive rear wing, aerodynamic nose cone, hood pins, and the bright exhaust tips. Inside you'll find Roadrunner styling with black vinyl seats, silver accents, 150 mile/hour speedometer, tinted windshield, and a factory solid state AM radio. It sits on rally wheels wrapped in Goodyear F60 15 Polyglass GT tires. The Superbird was built to dominate the NASCAR raceways, but this one stands out for a different reason. Its factory level preservation makes this thing a time capsule from the peak of the aero wars. This car is irreplaceable, and as original and as well documented as this is, it's going to bring in a lot of attention. I'll link the auction in the description below. It'll be crossing the block at Meekum Kissimmee coming up in just a few weeks, and I'm super excited to see it. I'd also featured this car on my video, the top 10 cars for Meekum Kissimmee. I recommend checking that video out for much more cars just like this one.